so these are some items that will be going out today. Just want to show you a quick look at them. So this is some cards for someone's birthday, which I did the painting and made some stickers. So this turns out to be a bigger project. So I made a sticker. So she has a sister, and I thought, well, if the sister sees that she's getting all of this and she's not getting anything, she might get jealous, and I don't want to create any siblings rivalry. So I made a sticker for her too. And then I thought, well, since I'm printing a full sheet anyway, might as well make stickers for the whole family. So I ended up making a lot of them, which is right here. I think it turns out pretty good. It's really cute. Yeah, so I hope they enjoy it. I'm gonna package it and give it to my friend, and I hope they enjoy it.